3 ways to make addictive cucumbers やみつききゅうり 3 cucumbers Roughly chop 2 cucumbers into 1 to 2 cm rounds. A dash of salt. Mix well and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Thinly slice 1 cucumber. A dash of salt. Mix well and let it sit for about 5 minutes. One teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Half teaspoon of sugar. 1/3 teaspoon of garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds. Mix well. Squeeze out the moisture from the cucumbers with a paper towel. Do not rinse with water. Place the chopped cucumbers into a Ziploc bag or your favorite container. Pour in the sauce made earlier. Gently knead or mix inside the bag. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour and it's ready. Ichimi chili pepper to taste or cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of somi shantan or bouillon or your favorite soup powder. Half teaspoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Place the drained chopped cucumbers into a Ziploc bag or your favorite container. Add the seasoning mix made earlier. Gently knead or mix inside the bag. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour and it's ready. One tablespoon of dry wakame seaweed. Pour hot water over it. Let it sit while making the sauce for the next step. Two tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sugar. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Wash the rehydrated wakame well with cold water and drain. Squeeze the moisture out of the thinly sliced cucumbers with your hands. Next, place them into a Ziploc bag or your favorite container. Add the rehydrated wakame. Add the sauce made earlier. Gently knead or mix inside the bag. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour and it's ready. 今日の料理はやみつききゅうりでした。Enjoy!
Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.